Cambodia exported more than 2.4 million tons of agricultural products to China from 2019 to June 2022, earning a gross revenue of $1.94 billion. That's according to Cambodia's Minister of Agriculture, Forestry and Fisheries Vang Sakon on Thursday. He said that the Southeast Asian nation had shipped 24 kinds of agricultural products to China. Sakon said the China proposed Belt and Road Initiative has paved the way for the two countries to further broaden bilateral cooperation in all fields, including agriculture. The minister added that the initiative has also helped attract Chinese investors in Cambodia's agriculture. Sakon said Chinese investment is essential to Cambodia's efforts to modernize agricultural production technologies and promote agricultural infrastructure.